We are on question 2.3 now. A farmer sells milk in 5-liter containers to the local community. The price varies according to the availability of milk at the farm stall. The price of milk in rands per 5-liter container and the number of 5-liter containers of milk sold are recorded in the table below. And then we have this data. We've talked about it in the previous questions. If the farmer sells a 5-liter container of milk for 38 rand, predict the number of 5-liter containers of milk you will sell. Okay, right now, if you check, we've done question 2.1, we've done question 2.2, and then we need to apply our answer for 2.2 to answer this question. All right, we found the equation of the regression line, and it is y is equal to 90,48 minus 1,77x. So now it says, if the farmer sells a 5-liter container of milk for 38 rand, predict the number of 5-liter containers of milk you will sell. So we're given the price, okay, which is x. We're given x. We need to find the number of 5-liter containers that can be sold using our equation. We're just predicting, okay? So it means where there's x, we put 38. So it's going to be y is equal to 90,48 minus 1,77 times 38. Then you can put this in the calculator. You get y is equal to 23,22. So roughly, you will sell 23 5-liter containers. So 23 units. You will sell 23 units. Just that. Okay. We're going to do the last part of question 2 in the next video.